Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you list in Python. So there are different types of list exist in Python and you can use it very efficiently. So without further ado, let's jump to the video. So first of all, I'm opening my Ideally. So that's the main app. So now let's type a list. So what is list? A list is a combination of character, I mean string, integer or float value. So let's make a list. Let's say nums equal use square bracket, then enter your value. I'm going to enter some integer value 96. So that's a list. Okay, if I say nums, you can see the list. You can change the name and you can use any type of name you want to use. Okay, again, if I in previous video you see that if we put a variable and if the variable is a string value, so there is an index number available. So here also in list there is also string index number available. Let's say nums2, the index number of 2, you can see 35, which is the 35. It's the index number of 35 is 2. If I say nums3, it says 67. Okay, and you can also use the native index number like nums like -2, which is 67. If this is -1 index number and this -2 index number, which is 67. Okay, now I'm if I want to show the index number for the list value from index number 2 to last, so you enter. You can see I type index number 2 and and colon and dash, so it prints 35, 67, 96, which is here. It means the sorry, it means it prints the index number which is comes after 2, I mean index value which is come after 2. Okay, now I'm going to make a list of string value. Okay, like say client equal, put square bracket, and you can use single apostrophe or double apostrophe as you like. I use single apostrophe, I like most. I like John, David, Michael. Sorry, here is a wrong. Okay, I put enter and you can see there's no error. It means we are right. Okay, if I print client, here is a thing that client is not defined. Oh, sorry, I put a wrong number. Let's correct this. Okay, client equal. Okay, now it's corrected. Client, you can see the name, current client John, Michael, and David. We can also put string, integer and float value together in one list. Let's try value. Let's try value equal, first square bracket, I say 8.5. 8.5. You don't need to put apostrophe while you use float or integer value. When you put string value, you need to add apostrophe. Okay, here you can see there is no error. Let's type again value. You can see it's come output. Okay, if you think we want to add two lists combined, like client and the list of nums, okay, we can use it like, I say mix. I want to mix them in one variable. Mix is equal, for square bracket, I say nums comma client, and put square bracket. There's no error. Print mix. You can see the nums and client two list makes a one list, but they combined each one. Okay, now again comes to my first list, which is nums. Okay, you can use multiple experiment in this list. You can add something, you can remove something, you can sort them, you can find the minimum value, maximum value. So let's try it. Like, first I say nums dot append. First I say 66. You need to put round bracket. It means append means there's no error. So append means you want to add 66 in this list. So print nums. You can see 66 add in the last of the list. So append, add numbers in the last of the list. Okay, if you want to specify the added number in the list, like you want to add, I want to add like I want to add 64 in the index number of 2. What can you do? Print insert. Here you can see the pop-up. You can also use all these features. I come step by step. Like nums dot insert. I want to insert 64. Use round bracket, and in insert you need to mention where you want to put the value. I say I want to insert the 64 in index number of 2. Enter it. It writes, and enter nums. You can see 64 append here, inserted in index number of 2. Okay, the next thing is remove. If you want to remove any number from a list, you can use a simple code like nums dot remove. Let's see here, I want to remove 67. Put here 67 and enter. You can see nums 67 gone. Okay, if you want to pop 2, I say pop 2. It means it removes the index number of 2 value, which is 64. Let's enter. You can say it's bring the value again nums. You can see. Okay, you can see pop function means it take out a value from the index number, and you can say any if you want to pop the last value, just enter pop, it will bring the last value. And if you want to bring the exact index number value, you can see it. Okay, again, if I want to delete something, you can see I say delete from nums from 2 to last, enter. It's a error. Okay, my bad. We need to put square bracket. Okay, num. You can see the rest of the value after index number from index number 2 to last is gone, it's deleted. Again, if we want to extend a value, extend, we can do it. Extend like 26, 45, 76, 87. I want to this add this good value. So extend mean you want to add some value for a list which is multiple value. I add a list which is in round bracket, and then put I add a list in a square bracket, and then put a round bracket outside them. It means extend with this list. Okay, nums, you can see it extended the list of the value added. If we want to find the minimum value, we can simply say minimum of number. It says if we want to maximum value, we can also do that. If we want to the sum of the value in the list, we can also do that. If we want to sort them, we can also do this. See, all the values are sorted here. So that is for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.